Wow.
What's up, guys? Chiquita here, and today, Grandma and I will be going to somewhere down the road.
We're going to Anna Maria Island.
Okay, punta na kami ng island, guys, and I really don't know where is it, but Grandma is the perfect driver for it.
I want me to go take a car. I'm afraid I'd have an accident. Because there's something about that Priux that I don't understand.
And yan. Natatapos ko lang talaga actually. I actually set it up my things that I need to get it done in my stocks, and then but babe left behind. Why? What's going on with you right there? When you see a dog, you're just like
Crazy. Yes.
Huh?
Goofy.
It's like it looks like a, you know, the sugar. What is your secret of having a long life?
I think having a deep faith in God is very important. And just knowing that He's in charge of your life, that you come when He wants you to be here and you leave when He wants you to come up to Him. That's it.
In terms about your lifestyle, what was your lifestyle that you've changed? And
I would say I drank too much. And things kept me from God. Changed me into another person. I haven't drank in almost 40 years, so
that is
probably why I live longer. I don't smoke. Those things can only hurt a person. It can't help a person.
So you mentioned that things turns into good, and you were committed to change your lifestyle when you found your second husband.
Yes.
Because you found your true love. Tar. That's the secret. Stay in love.
Stay in love, right.
That's what love can do. It's magical, isn't it?
Yes. We're going to see if the bus comes.
Grandma is actually our ultimate tour guide. Here. Alright, so we're gonna have a little bit of tour down here at the beach, and this is more relaxed actually to go to the beach.
With the manatee mailbox.
Out to the road.
Yeah.
This is it.
But this brings you right near the water.
There's a trolley.
Any burgers for Bill? Order up.
Hello, girls. Hi. They're so cute. Uh-oh. That's a white beach right here. Right? Well, the last time that we went here, actually, there was a red tide. So, we actually figured out to move to St. Petersburg and clear water area because there was a red tide. But I think right now everything's well, and yeah, we're looking forward to enjoy this area right here very soon. We're not ready. Actually, we're not ready. Look at this little girl here. Where are you going, girls? Ano to siya na area, guys? Parang hindi ka maboboard kasi you always have something to do. You know? Oh, na-enjoy ako sa anong init. So, ito yung ginagawa ni grandma sa kung wala siyang gagawin. You know, just to relax.
Here?
Huh?
You
There.
walk out of there.
Yeah. Alright, we're heading to the pier, guys. Ooh, I love the sun. That will not be always when we get there in New York. So I need to enjoy it.
now, right?
Huh?
See the seagrass?
Yep. Guys, we have this in Philippines. You know,
Do you?
this, yeah, we do. But ours is different because ours is actually bigger than this. They are taller. They become taller.
Well, these are just bumps.
Right.
By them.
Yeah. And we sometimes use it for, you know, for cleaning, sweeping, or dusting. This one. Yeah, we called it patutok sa Bisaya, guys. Patutok. I don't know what's the English for that. Sinabi ni grandma, guys, na the reason na hindi siya gusto magpapakita sa camera kasi yeah. Kasi ano daw, ang pangit niya daw, sabi niya. wala namang qualification sa camera. Ano, grabe siya ka how do you call this? Very concerned siya talaga sa appearance niya. So we are here now at the beach. Nandun lang si grandma. Tatay dito. Wow, nagkasya ako dyan. Oh, nagkasya ako dyan. That's the advantage of being little. Hindi naman nagsabi si grandma na ano. So nice dito. Hindi siya hindi, you can see right there, the sand. So, yan, clear siya. Tapos mas peaceful yung dagat niya kaysa pinuntahan namin na beach. Kung alam ko lang na ganito ka okay, you know, nagdala na sana ako ng pangligo. OMG. Guys, ang sarap maligo! Oh my gosh! I can't imagine. Right here talaga it's so sunny, but most of the state right now, it's already cold and snowy. But here we are! Init niya, guys, as hindi masakit. Ganon na init. Pero pag masakit na init, which is not good. Kaya that's the advantage of not applying chemicals in your face. Kasi masisira talaga yung ano mo kung parati kang nagpapainit. Kaya if you love beach, be careful of what you put into your body. There! I will come back, okay? We will come back. See you later. So we're here at this area here. We're going to eat and get some sweet. You know, my grandma loves sweet. It's called Joe Eats and Sweet. Hello. Thank you. Take note, that's homemade, guys. So that's in here. Very colorful. Look at that. It's like kindergarten school. Look at the homemade ice cream, guys.
Chocolate crunch, pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin, chocolate peanut butter, cookies and cream, strawberry cheesecake, pineapple coconut, rum and raisin, pistachio, English toffee.
blueberry.
This is what you've got when you get here. Wow, different colors of ice cream. Maybe the color right inside here is actually the same as the ice cream. This is what I've got. So, hindi ako kumuha ng pagkain kasi I'm not really hungry.
See, we could come and have a picnic down here.
We're back in the car, guys, and yes, we're heading back home. Thank you for stopping by, guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.